Good morning! First of all, please excuse my hair. This is how I look like in the morning. As usual, my hair's like, ganun na naman, like alfalfa. And I'm a little paos. This is my bedroom voice. Anyway, good morning. We are leaving for Punta Fuego. Not my husband, just me. And I'm going to be with my dance friends, if you remember them. We're just going to stay there for 3 days and 2 nights. Just a short but sweet stay, just enough for us to rest and relax and just, let loose and have fun and enjoy the sun and the sand. We are staying with Ate Kathy. She's one of the senior members of Hot Legs. And oh my gosh, she's picking me up at 8:30 a.m. Gotta get ready. Bye! Hi, Sushi. Can you say hi? Step up. Can I talk? This is the Icon Flock. Sushi, peanut, and kiwi. Okay, I'm done playing with the birds. Now we're putting a little makeup. I forgot to show you, but I put some sunblock before this. Sunblock, guys, it's very important. It's the summer. Just a little concealer lang. A little. As I got older, I noticed that I needed to put in more concealer. I'm turning 50 this year, guys, so alam niyo na. Concealer is your best friend. Then I like using this. I shared this na before. Uy, beauty vlogger yan. This is a mineral setting powder. It already has SPF, so perfect. For sunblock first, and then the concealer. And to seal my concealer, I use this. Ewan ko kung ma-affect pa ng UV rays yan. Ewan ko na. Also, something that I noticed as I got older is less hair. Less hair on my eyebrows. I don't know if we're going to swim right away, so I'm using this. I shared this before. This is a pomade. So one side is the brush and the other side is the pomade. And it's smudge proof and waterproof. Tested na to, guys. I mean, unless you go like that, right? But, if you just pat dry, okay siya. See? Okay, done. Then a little blush. Okay na ba, guys? Okay. Then my stick from my tuchang. Ta-da! Okay, I'm ready. Simple makeup lang pero ang dami na nangyari, di ba? Let's go! 6, 7, 8. Ha!
O, tayo! Walang hawak! Tayo! Dapat may pagano ka. Parang, Nick Talent.
Let's add a carry.
Ang problema siya, walang liquor.
Oregano. Italian seasoning. Cookers na ha. Ikot. Ganyan. Pwede pa rin. I teach my class.
Ayun na nga.
Okay, acting and tayo. Good morning. Good morning! We are here at Long Beach in Punta, Fuego. Can you hear me? Ang ingay ng friends ko. No? Ito yung pinakamaingay. That's JP. Beach day today and shooting our videos. This is our mother.
Have a turn. Alex, meron naka-shade sa camera. Hey! 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes!
Ano may head? Eh, nawan eh.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ready? Guys, check out that sunset.